In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks into ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send an email straight into a specific task, so updates, notes, and files land in the right place without any copy and paste. Start by opening your ClickUp account and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space where the task lives, and that you have permission to view and update it. If you're juggling lots of work, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Next, click into the specific task you want to email into. This is important because the email you're about to generate is tied to this exact task. With the task open, look for the three dots, usually near the top right of the task window. Click that menu, then choose the option labeled Send Email to Task or Email to Task. ClickUp will generate a unique email address for this task. Copy that address to your clipboard. Treat it like a direct pipeline into the task and keep it private so only authorized messages land there. Now head over to your email app, open a new message and paste the copied address into the to field. If your email supports it, you can also add attachments. They'll carry over with the message. Compose your message. Use the subject line as the description or headline for what you're sending. Keep it clear and concise so the update is easy to recognize in the task. In the body, write the details you want to appear inside the task, such as status updates, action items, meeting notes, or links your team should review. The clearer and more structured your message is, the easier it will be for teammates to act on it once it appears in ClickUp. When you're finished entering the description and body, click Save to finalize. Depending on your email app, this may appear as send. Either way, you're confirming the message so it can be delivered into the task. Give it a moment and your email contents will be attached to that exact task, keeping everything organized and traceable. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, navigate to the specific task, use the three-dot menu to generate and copy the task's unique email, compose your message in your email app, paste the address, enter the description and body, and click Save. This simple workflow keeps information flowing smoothly and ensures your team always knows where to look for the latest updates.